first presents have come in. Presents for someone else, not for me. We're gonna open these. This is for Fabian. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It might be something else. Yes, oh my gosh, this is it. I hope I got the right thing. I really hope I did. Okay. Yes, oh my gosh, this is it. So he's a bit of a nerd. So when we were Barnes & Noble, he really wanted to get these, but I told him not to spend money. So I got them literally that night on Amazon for him. They're JoJo's. I don't know like how they fit in the story, but it's just these three. The thing that I got for myself, this is for myself and for Fabian because he cooks a lot, and he cooks a lot at my place because I have a full kitchen, he doesn't, and our knives really suck, so I got a knife sharpener. I think this is the right kind. So hopefully this helps because our knives are so bad. I've had to stop him from buying this like 3 different times at the store. So I bought it for him. It's the Lego McLaren. They have like the tiny mini figures with a tiny car, and they're like a blind box, but I found a way to hack it, and I got him that when I was visiting him when he was in Tucson. But that was like the tiny version, so I got him the big version because he really wants this. Okay, so I actually don't have any wrapping paper, so I'm gonna use this paper and temporarily wrap it because if he comes over and sees the box, he's gonna want to see what's in it, and if I wrap it and then put it in the box, then he won't, I don't think he'll unwrap it. I had him shake his Christmas presents and he guessed what they both were. But I have to do something else. Whoa. It's double wrapped. Oh my god. Ew. Are these the wings? No, this is the sandwich. Wait, turn it this way. Oh my god. Oh. They're playing Pawn Stars in. It's so good. It's so good. I supposed to. I didn't know that was an option. I didn't know windows in restaurants could open. He's actually ordering through that window. Like, is that allowed? I don't know if I told you. I've already started my Christmas vlog just because I got your presents so early. So I vlogged that. We got lemonade, go, guys.
I need a cutting device. Ooh, nice. I didn't know they made this.
That is supposed to be green.
This is like, what would you say?
It's a golf sweater.
Okay, I get it. Continuation for JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Diamond's Demonic Heartbreak. In here, Claire got me a Lego box, but what's inside of it is 10 pounds of metal. The lights got me a nice little golf sweater.
Okay, hello everybody. It's currently finals week. I took a hard final yesterday, slated maybe, I don't know yet. But I have my last final tomorrow and then I'm going home. But I'm really not worried about that final. It's like, it's management, so it's like not hard. And I get a cheat sheet on it. So I'm gonna be doing some Christmas shopping today before I do I'm just gonna do a quick study break. I'm gonna do some Christmas shopping and I'm gonna fill up my golf bag, move everything from my old one to my new one. Ordered a white elephant gift for my extended family. I got a hot dog toaster. It's supposed to come between the 23rd and the 26th, and I think we're leaving to go visit them the 26th, so hopefully it comes sooner. If not, I'll print out a picture of it and then I don't know. Also, Becca's taking a final right now, so Penny's hanging out with me because she doesn't like being alone. Hi, Penny. Yeah, she doesn't do much. I think we need these. Okay, I just got back from Goodwill. Haul of what I got, and I'm gonna kind of explain. So first of all, for me, I got a vest. This is I thought this was really nice, and it was really cheap. And I want to wear vests. And then I always check their golf stuff, like golf shirts. This is Nike, pink. I couldn't pass that up. Golfing seems expensive, but getting the clothes at Goodwill is big hack. So then I got 2 baskets because I have 2 Secret Santas. One is technically a secret birthday, we do a Secret Santa but for birthdays in our friend group. But her birthday was in July and I totally forgot, but I told her I'd get it to her by Christmas. So yeah, one of the baskets is wire, one is mesh, and the mesh one's kind of not the best quality, but also the basket literally isn't the present. I'm gonna fill it. I'm gonna go to Marshall's and see what I can find there, and then I think I'm gonna get the rest when I'm back home in Wichita. Here's what I ended up getting. So this is for my friend Ashley, the one who I'm kind of going off dog theme. So she really likes cows, and so I thought this was super cute. Her dog's probably gonna chew that up right away though, as they all do. And then some jerky bites. Just a little snack for him. And then pet wipes to go in this thing. They don't quite fit, but that's okay. All in the basket. I'll make it look pretty once I get home.
The plea mid-sentence, and as she coughs,
got free cuticle oils. Nice. Merry Christmas, Ruby.
Or
She doesn't like
makes
it.
her dizzy.
Okay. Okay guys, yeah, I am home. The rumors are true. I totally forgot to vlog when I finished my final because I literally just got in the car and left. So glad that's over. I got A's in all my classes except for my management one. I haven't gotten the grade back for that. That was my last final. And he takes a long time to grade, so I guess we'll find out. And yeah, I technically got my bachelor's degree in accounting. Kind of exciting. My diploma is going to be mailed here soon, I think. I don't know. My view tonight. Hey, where are we?
Norton's.
Yeah, and they decorated it. Yeah, they said we get to keep these.
Look how cute this drinks are.
It's 20, 25.
Who's sending all this stuff?
The tower continues to grow. Me somehow fitting these all in my purse.
Ready? They're gonna waterboard you, Jenny. They're gonna waterboard you, Jenny.
Like, you want to?
Santa is jaywalking. What the? Oh. Okay, guys, I've been making butter chicken for like the last while.
2 hours.
Like last 2 hours, including the hour that the chicken had to marinate. This is my first time. I also combined 2 recipes. So I think it looks a little lighter than usual, but I'm okay with that. I'm also trying to make it mild. But it's a lot of food. So yeah, I'll tell you how it turns out.
She's pouring with a white shirt on.
Okay, here it is. Got our naan. We got pre-made naan. And then I'm gonna dip it in there because I like to dip it a lot. Oh yeah. Oh! Yum, puppy chow. Mm. All right, going on the train ride. Okay, just a note here, I did not explain it at all. This is not a Christmas present at all. This was a special edition book that I ordered in March 2024. It's King of Scars and Rule of Wolves by Lee Bardugo. And so I just threw in a little unboxing here. Whoa. Pizza time.
What do you want to do? You turn it all the way up to the board as high as possible. Not in very far. We'll get a long time to cook.
This is my special Buffalo Ranch chicken pizza. All done.
Everyone's an influencer. I know, I'm excited. Very different from camera.
Oh my god. The most.
This is so
My
good.
second top moment, 70.3 Iron Man. That was so fun.
For me?
Shaking that stirred.
On. Who ate all those? What's in the martini shaker? What are you taking a pic?
Okay guys, it's finally haul time. I love watching hauls, so I'm gonna share with everybody some golf club cleaners. These are retractable. I had a really old one on my other bag and the clip broke, so it was like stuck, so I couldn't get it off that bag. And it wasn't retractable, and the retractable is really nice, so I got that. I got a pack of 2. I got this perfume set, and my mom, like me and my mom split it. So she got the cocoa and cashmere, I believe. I got the peony picnic. Oh, I'm gonna spray some now. My mom got me this really nice cashmere beanie. Really, really soft. I have a really small head, so I don't know if I even look good in beanies. I got this driver head cover for my new golf bag. I don't own any head covers, so this is really nice, and it's gonna match. It is super cute. Next, I got this gorgeous Gap sweatshirt or jacket from Gap. Beautiful red, and it's reversible, so I can wear it with the fluffy side in or out. Love that. And I do a lot of online school now, so I got a bed desk so I can work on the couch or on my bed. It has like a little handle and collapses. That I got was this Nespresso machine. I really wanted one so badly over the summer and tried so many ways to make espresso shots, and it all failed. So now I can make my own coffee, my own lattes, because I love an iced latte. Yesterday we did a Secret Santa with my family, and Nathan had me. He got me a Flamin' Hot Cheetos Snuggie, and he got me Jenga. I think I got, I technically also got a new golf glove just because both of mine, I have 2, and they both have like a ton of holes in them, but my mom accidentally got right hand, and for golf you put it on your non-dominant hand. So we have to return that. And then I also got a like fry pan, is that what it's called? A skillet maybe? Like the pan you make eggs in. But she accidentally got, I guess it was kind of my fault. I sent the wrong link on Amazon to like one this big, and I need like a full-size one just because I cook a lot of food on there, and our current one is burnt. Yeah, we're returning those, and then she's gonna get me a different golf glove and I think a different skillet altogether. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and not film anything else. The rest of Christmas with my family. Merry Christmas. Super thankful. Thank you to everybody that got me gifts. Bye.